Hello baddies, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I have been gone for so long because we were moving and it's taken a minute to settle back in and get back into the grind of YouTube. Also, does my face not match my body? I have been getting so much sun down here in southern Florida, but I keep my face out of the sun because I'm trying to youth. Anyway, today I'm gonna teach you how I made this tumbler right here. Come on, focus on her. Hold on, let's get the focus right. It is a checkered ombre tumbler. Now, the tutorial is only for the ombre, how I did the checkered ombre. So the back is fabric. I do have multiple fabric tutorials on my channel already, but this is the technique I'm gonna teach you today, is how to do the checkered. I hope that you love this video. I do want to let you guys know that this is a tutorial that I taught live in Baddiee University. As you guys know, I have a mentorship group where I go live every week, and that is where we did this tutorial. It was about a 2-hour live, but I broke it down and edited it down to like 6 minutes or so for you guys. But if you guys enjoy my content, if you enjoy me, if you enjoy supporting me as a content creator, you're welcome to join Baddiee University anytime. And there's no commitment. You're welcome to cancel at any time. And I will post the link in the description in case you're interested in giving it a try. It's the best time to sign up because it is the beginning of the month. So that's when it's the best time to start fresh. I have my own app. I'm currently having a little malfunction with the live feature. It's being worked on. So in the meantime, you're going to have access to the app and the exclusive Facebook group that has combined, that's like 2 years worth of tutorials. So anyway, I feel like I'm rambling. I also feel like an HOOKER, like I'm selling myself to you. But I also don't talk about my mentorship so often here on YouTube. So I do want to give a big thank you to the baddies who do have a membership to Baddiee University. Thank you so much. It allows me to continue to be a full-time creator. So thank you for your support. And I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoy this video. And I'll see you guys next Saturday. Besitos.
Well, baddies. I see you're back for some more ratchetness. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do a checkered rainbow glitter ombre. Say that 10 times fast. This is a live class that I taught in Baddiee University. This is actually a recording of that class. It was almost a 2-hour class, but I cut it down into 5 minutes. I know. So you're going to start off by cutting your... What? One of the wieners is playing with the squeaky ball. I'm so sorry. Ratatata. Jessica Flynn would never. Like I was saying, you're going to start off by cutting your checkered template. This is a template that I designed on my iPad, and I uploaded it for free download to the Baddiee University Dropbox. That is one of the perks of being in Baddiee University, is that the tutorials I teach, I usually provide all of the cut files for free and all of that good stuff. Of course, you can buy one of these templates on Etsy as well if you want to. So I went ahead and placed my template, and then you want to remove every other square. And then when you go to the second line, you want to remove every other square as well, but you want to intertwine them the way I'm doing so that you create that checkered pattern. Like you wouldn't want to delete the square and then in the row below it, delete the same square right underneath it, because then you would lose that checkered pattern, if that makes sense. So once I removed my checkered decals where I wanted them, I spray painted my tumbler white to paint those squares white. The reason I did that is because my rainbow colors are going to pop a lot more if I have a white base. Always, if you have a white base, your colors are going to pop more. So that's why I did that. And then I went ahead and went in with some chalk paints to do my ombre. If you guys want to learn how to make this ombre, I will post a link up at the top right where I show you in detail how to paint a hand-painted ombre. But on this tutorial, we're going to focus on the checkered part of the tumbler. So that's why I'm moving kind of fast through this little hand painting ombre. To be honest, I've become a really big fan of doing my ombres this way just because sometimes I avoid going outside to spray paint. So I like being able to do this inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and let my chalk paints dry, and then I'm going to go in with Helios, which is a glue from Hyperion. I have told you guys this for months, but this is my favorite glue to use. The reason it's my favorite glue is because it stays tacky forever. Like it'll dry, but it stays tacky. So you don't have to hurry to apply your glitter because the glue is going to stay tacky. It takes 30 minutes to dry, but even when it's dry, it's tacky. So I like to use this glue when I know I'm going to take a little bit of time to glitter. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my first color, which is yellow. And as you guys can see, I angle my tumbler like at a 90, almost a 90-degree angle. No, I guess you could call this a 50% angle. No, it's definitely way more. Like right here, this is like 70% angle, almost 90. Because when I do that, when I angle it and I drizzle my glitter, it kind of cascades and gently blends in the middle. You don't want harsh glitter lines in the middle of your ombre because that's going to make it so that it doesn't look like an ombre. So as you can see here, I'm just gently sprinkling that glitter and letting it cascade into the center of where the purple and the blue meet. And that's what combines the two colors in a nice soft blend. Once I am happy with my ombre, and I have set it down and let it dry for a little bit and kind of picked up my little area. I didn't let it dry for very long, like 5 minutes probably. I went ahead and started peeling up the vinyl that was underneath all of the spray paint and the glitter. And this is, I'm preparing it right here. I'm preparing it for epoxy. So we want to remove all of those decals, and you want to work kind of fast because the longer you let those decals sit under that glue, the harder it is for you to pull them up. That's why I only waited about 5 minutes. And I actually like how this looks just with the like exposed lines, but in order for it to be a checkered, I have to go back in and remove the vinyl squares that I had originally left. So obviously, once I find the first one, it's going to be pretty obvious where the rest of them are since I am following a very specific pattern. This is what my checkered ombre looked like when I was done. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember that this tutorial was just for the checkered part of the tumbler. That is why I'm not finishing the rest of the design here. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Besitos!